Whoa.
Hi, neighbor. How are you?
How are you?
I'm doing wonderful. Did you have a good Christmas?
I did.
Great, neighbor.
Yeah.
Great.
Did you?
Are you out doing something today that I could help you with?
No, we're just
No,
walking down.
really, neighbor?
Yeah.
Really?
Walking down a county road.
Oh, great. Are you packing today, neighbor?
Oh yeah, I'm observing my Second Amendment.
Great,
right?
great.
I'm also observing my First Amendment, right?
Good, that's good. Neighborly love.
Yeah.
Neighborly love.
My friend and I walked to the end of the road, and we're trying to walk back, and they've started. Back here? Because we have the right to walk.
Why are you back here?
I don't need to answer that question, sir.
Okay, then turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Why are you arresting me?
Because you're being charged with trespassing.
Okay.
Why are you back here?
I was out for a walk.
You're out for a walk on somebody else's property.
We weren't. We were on the public property the entire time.
Back
we never.
there?
We
Back
never.
there by their house?
We never left.
Shut up!
You're asking me a
I
question.
asked you a question, not him.
I'm trying to answer
You
it.
shut the fuck up. You answer the
This
question.
whole
That's
road
very non-professional.
goes all the way back.
Howdy, neighbor. How are you? Did you have a good Christmas? Well, that's good. Have a good New Year. Yeah, let's see what happens in 2021, man. I mean, I wouldn't say that. Who would have thought that this year would have gone this way? I mean, I haven't been up here in a couple of days, but I'm willing to bet that there is no fate. Yeah, because see, they're just trying to make the road a county road. And see, like, I think we're gonna come up to a gate up here, and I've already put a complaint in with the county, and they're gonna give Elliot 60 days to remove these two posts here on either side of the road, because they're on a county right-of-way, and the one further up here. Like, I mean, he could put a post, you know, at the end of the, but like these two posts are illegal. Yeah, see, like, the county owns 15 feet on either side of the road. Come on, let's keep walking. So, let's keep walking. No, it's not. This is a county road, all the way to the end of the road. There's gonna be a gate somewhere up here, and he's still gonna claim that it's his road. But it's not.
Is this what the bullshit's about?
No, it's about right there. See where that panel is knocked down?
Yeah.
And those two things? He claims to own 9 inches between where the county stops owning and where I own the land. There's going to be a gate up here. And I put a petition in with the county because he legally can't be putting stuff on the side of the road like this. I mean, Mr. and Mrs. Eisenberg walk down this road. You know, like he owns all the way to that paved area, to the end of that paved area over there. I even have video footage of the judge executive, you know, the guy that's in charge of all the county property and everything, you know, saying that I have the right to walk down this road. And I interrupted him and I was like, stop talking, dude, I know. Like, you don't have to tell me, like, things are telling me information that I already knew. Yeah, yeah. They're trying to make it a private road. We're just trying to get our taxpayer dollars out of it before they take it out of commission. I think it's his daughter or something, but I don't know. I'm willing to bet money that it is. Look at that mud pile. What? No, right? It looks like a bomb went off there. Right. I wonder if he's got the water conservation act thing in his Reddit. I forgot, like there's all kinds of different things. Yeah, I can see that gate right there that we just walked by. I guess we talked about it on the way back. Those posts are just so close to the road. So does that mean the county owns this tree?
Like that back and stopped and it grew up in the middle of the road, or they built a road around it. I don't know. But it's right in the middle of the fucking road.
Yeah.
And it's protected. They can't cut it down or.
That's stupid.
Yeah.
I don't see many animals. There's no cows, not many animals. Out here. There's someone in there. I think his name is John though. Coincidentally, he's dating Elliot's daughter, so I heard through the grapevine. Which is weird, because you think they'd be related or something. They're both named Young. If they get married, they don't have to change their name. Let's just walk to the end of the road and turn around and walk back.
If they get a lot of deer back there.
I bet so.
With open tree lines and everything.
Yeah, right. They have a railroad crossing thing. They have a propane tank. Like everybody says that this house here is like they say it's like, you know, one of the old houses like my house is. And I guess, you know, the guy that lives behind your grandpa, David Wilson? David Wilson. Yeah, he said he rented this house for a while. We're just walking down the county road, saying howdy to neighbors. Just walking down the road, saying hi to neighbors. Have a good New Year. Trademark line. What are you doing, dude? Yeah. And what's the other thing she says is, you can't talk to him that way. He's old. That's what I told her dad. Her dad. You can't talk to him that way. He's old. Oh yeah. I want to take video of these posts here. I mean, we can walk down the road, but I could stand at the end of that road forever as long as I wasn't blocking traffic. I could stand there till midnight. It's a public road, you know. They can stop us. Anything that you can see from a public bins right in front of my house. People pull off. Seriously.
Look at your cows.
Yeah. I don't ask them.
Pull up in your driveway.
I've never asked him a question. There's been wedding parties that have come to my house and taken pictures with cows and the sheep. I've literally said nothing about it. Yeah, right. So see these posts right here on the right and the left side of the road that facilitate that gate? They're on the county property and it's against the on 15 feet of either side. It's 15 feet of either side of the center of the road. So like these two posts here with this gate on it are illegal. Like the county, judge executive was saying that there's been many people do this, and he said the reason that they do it is for the cows. Like it says slow down cattle crossing, and he says he only does it when there's cows. But I just don't know that to be true. And the gate is right on either side of the road. Just document that with the video for later time. Whoa.
Hi neighbor, how are you?
How are you?
I'm doing wonderful. Did you have a good Christmas?
I did.
Great, neighbor.
Yeah.
Great.
Did you?
Are you out doing something today that I could help you with?
No, we're just
No,
walking down.
really, neighbor?
Yeah.
Really?
Walking down the county road.
Oh, great. Are you packing today, neighbor?
Oh yeah, I'm observing my
great.
Second Amendment.
Great,
Right?
great.
I'm also observing my First Amendment right.
Good, that's good. Neighborly love.
Yeah.
Neighborly love.
Do you think he just went and put that shirt on? You think like?
Hold on a minute. Let's take some pictures.
Hey,
I
man.
don't want to do a selfie,
You got
okay?
him like almost running us over, right?
Right? Yeah.
Let's do some selfies.
You ready? Oh,
Yeah.
switch it around.
I love you.
There we
What's your
go.
name, dude?
Hey, what's up?
What's your name?
He's a neighbor.
Neighbor?
Neighbor.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Great. Oh, wow. It's a wonderful day, ain't it?
Isn't it? Yeah.
Grand day out here on the public road and everything.
Mhm.
Yeah. How's it been going?
Oh, it's been pretty good. Are you
Yeah.
excited
You
for
had
the
a good
new year?
Christmas?
I did. Yeah.
Yeah, man. 2021's got to be better than 2020, don't you think?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, me too, man. Man, what are you talking about? Hey, did you see that shit down in Nashville?
Oh yeah. Isn't that crazy?
God dang.
Yeah.
And all of Walmart, none of the AT&T stuff's working. It's crazy.
Yeah, we drove to Bowling Green yesterday. Yeah. And there was no cell service.
I know.
Yeah, isn't that?
Yeah. We got our grandkids gift cards and they couldn't even use them.
Gift cards.
Yeah.
Like where?
For anywhere they wanted, but luckily they was able to use them at the mall.
Okay. Yeah, people can't. Like, it's crazy, isn't that weird?
Yeah. I mean, is there something that you wanted with my date?
No. I have the First Amendment
I'm getting
right.
ready moving across the street, trying to get that done. Way up there from when I was background cattle and
Okay.
get ready to move
I have the
over.
First Amendment right to film. You know.
Oh yeah, sure, no worries, no worries.
I mean, even if you're moving
I mean,
cattle,
whatever I can do for you, man, it's all about you.
even if you're
I
moving
love you, dude.
cattle back and forth and the gates
Right.
closed, you know.
I love you, man. Yeah. Oh, baby, I got it right here, dude. Yeah, neighborly love.
But didn't you see him run in the house and come back out? You think he just put that shirt on?
I've had it on all day. On all day.
It's an interesting coincidence. Well, so what were you gonna say about this gate over here?
I've got finished putting it probably enough work because I got to move some cattle.
Yeah.
Because I had it way up there, but it was a nuisance because my cattle would get out and come up this way.
Yeah.
It was a pain in the ass, so yeah.
Well, so like I went to the judge executive's office, and Judge Harper.
That's nothing to do with me. I'm just
Oh, yeah,
why
yeah.
you taking a picture of my gate?
Oh, because I can.
Oh, sure, great.
Anything I can observe from public property is the public domain.
Sure.
Yeah, there's no expectation of privacy
Hey,
in
but can I
public.
ask you one thing?
Sure.
Just one thing.
Yeah.
Please quit turning around on my property, okay?
Oh, well, see,
If you
like,
come through, back all the way out.
no, I don't need to because
I've
from
got
the
security
center of the,
cameras, man, and I've caught you trespassing on my property again.
see from the center of the road,
But you know I love
from
you,
the
dude.
center of the road, to 15 feet of either side
Oh
of the
yeah,
road.
but however, we're referring back to that, to where you
Yeah.
don't believe that I own that property up there. And I do, brother.
I'm not gonna talk about it. Hey, hey, do you want to talk about this gate though?
No, I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. Yeah.
You don't think so?
Oh, he's on public road, hon. Neighborly love. Why? He's on the property. He's on the public property. No worries, love.
How are you today, ma'am?
Neighbor.
How are you today, ma'am? Did you have a good Christmas?
What? You've made our life fucking hell for 2 years.
Oh,
And
yeah.
that is a shame. It is a shame. You've cost us all kinds of fucking money. And I mean, what are you doing? I don't give a shit.
I'm it's not packing, I'm observing my Second Amendment right.
Right now, you talk sideways to her. Now right now, get your ass home. Dude, you have no fucking reason to be back here.
I do.
Get
This is
out!
it's a public road.
I'm telling you, you better watch your mouth talking to her. Consider it a threat. Get the fuck out of here.
I've said nothing rude.
I don't care. I'm telling you, you're not gonna talk crazy to her. Get out.
Our property.
This is a public road.
It may
sir.
be a public road, but that's my property back there, and you're not going to step foot on it. You
I
understand
didn't.
me?
I didn't today.
Today?
I didn't
Today? What do you mean by
yesterday.
today?
Didn't yesterday, didn't last week.
I've seen you back there,
Okay.
and I've got children back there, and you're the last motherfucker I want anywhere near my kids.
Okay.
That's his private property, and I
It's not.
suggest you not fucking step foot on it,
It's
boy.
not.
We're moving livestock, so there you can't fucking come back here.
What you got?
Yeah, it's a county road and it's
I
cattle
also-
crossing. So
I also
go.
have a video of Judge Harper saying that the actual, the pavement ends here, but the county
Dude,
stopped
what
funding the
is
road
your
up there.
deal?
What do you have that makes you feel like you need to be back here in the first place?
Oh, because I have the right. I have the Fourth
You have
Amendment
the-
right. I have the
okay.
Yeah,
Constitution.
and there's a dead end with a bunch of little fucking kids back there, dude. That's weird.
I have the
For real,
con-
that's weird. What do you need back there?
I have the constitutional right.
To be a fucking creep?
Yeah.
As soon as possible, please. We're being harassed by a neighbor again.
Forever. I don't understand why we got to keep going through here. I mean, are you trying to provoke me into doing something? Why?
I'm just
I
walking
mean,
down
look,
the county
neighborly
road.
love, brother.
Just walking down the county road.
Yeah. I mean, but I can't understand why we keep doing this.
I'm walking down the county road, sir.
You are? Yeah. What? You want to step out of the county road?
Yeah, sure. I'm still on county easement
Okay.
right
How
now.
much farther can you go?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah. But I know I can be right here, and I know I can be right here, and I know I can be at the end of the pavement over there. You putting a gate right there and threatening me just
I haven't
isn't
threatened
really
nobody.
much neighborly love. You and your daughter and
hasn't threatened nobody.
and her boyfriend threatening me are
Who's
very.
threatening you,
You're
honey?
right. It was your
Nobody-
daughter and your
Nobody's
boyfriend.
threatening you.
Yeah.
Nobody.
Hey.
Nobody's threatening you.
Do you see
Nobody.
this, Anthony?
We're talking man to man.
Do you see this, Anthony?
Man. Yeah, and I'm trying to talk man to man. Man to man.
Look, do you see this, Anthony?
Oh, is this kind of like when y'all try to run over me up there on my property?
Isn't this?
Oh, we're on
against-
county.
Oh, yeah.
We're on county property.
I'm trying. I don't want you to touch
We're on
me,
county
sir. I want
property,
you
you
to
know
stay
what?
6 feet away.
Hey,
sir.
Oh, what is
sir, Sir.
What is it?
Hey, yeah, you
What?
elbowed
What
me,
is-
sir. If you want
Did
to.
I elbow you?
You almost did.
Why
You almost
what?
did.
You almost elbowed me.
Get the fuck up there.
I'm working on it.
No,
He's
I want
stopping
you to
me.
now.
I'm working on it.
Okay,
He's stopping
now.
me. I can go this way if I want to. I have the
just
Fourth Amendment
harass
right.
us.
I'm not. I have
Yes,
the
you
constitutional
are.
right to walk
Get
down this
out of
road.
here.
I'm on a private.
Nobody has ever bothered us until your fucking ass come back
This is a
here.
public road.
You make us sick, and you have for 2 years.
This is a public road.
Get your ass out of here and quit causing trouble.
Do you have your phone, Anthony? Yeah. Do you want to record him? Not let me
Literally,
know?
the only reason
why you're back here is to call shit.
No, it's not.
Okay.
It's because I have the Fourth Amendment right to walk to the end of this road.
Hey,
Could I ask you your cell phone number, ma'am? To request the public record of who called 911 and the exact record.
Get
of
it.
you know
Public
what?
record.
It is.
Yeah, but
Yes.
you need to know the number that called.
Oh,
Unfortunately. You do the name and the number.
you
Yeah.
are so fucking stupid. Get out of
I
here.
spend all day pulling public records. You have no clue what I
Got a
know.
gun, and I feel threatened.
I have the Second
And my
Amendment right.
attorney will know that on Monday. that you're carrying a gun, you come on our property.
You don't
and
have an
you're
attorney,
harassing
ma'am.
us. Oh,
You don't have an
bullshit.
attorney.
Bullshit.
You don't have an attorney,
Having
sir.
a good talk.
Yeah, until she
No,
came
I
up
do
yelling.
have an attorney.
We were having a good talk till she came up yelling. Gee.
I want you out of my fucking property.
I'm not on your
now.
property,
Get
ma'am.
out.
I'm not on your property.
Get out.
I'm on a county road.
Just for 2 years and I've had enough.
I'm on a county road, ma'am.
You and your county road, get out of here. You're a weasel.
Oh, I'll just stand right here. County road.
Yes.
Are you still recording?
He won't leave us alone, and then he keeps harassing us, and he's got a gun. And he's always back here causing trouble. But we can't calm down because he
Hey,
won't,
sir, ask
he
her to
won't
stop
leave.
yelling.
He won't leave.
You guys are harassing me on public land.
You get your ass up there. Why are you back here?
Just enjoying the day, walking.
Why are you back here?
Hey, Anthony, do you think were the other neighbors on Willow Oaks Lane
Get
rude like
out
this?
of here.
We passed
Go.
other people.
Not the other people we talked to are very kind.
Go. Yes.
I'm very kind too. Oh, did he ever tell you that I helped to get his sheep up?
You're very polite.
Yeah.
Yeah. You were actually this year. Did you tell him I'm on a public road, ma'am?
Let's walk back the public road.
We're on a public road right now. Hey, do you
Why
want
are
to?
you back here? Why are you here? Just answer that.
Back there by our house.
I have the Fourth Amendment right, sir.
Fourth Amendment or not, hell, I could stand in P Ridge in front of your house and it's still fucking weird.
I wouldn't say anything about it
Why
because
are
you
you-
have the right. You have the constitutional right to do so.
Get out of here. You're just here to cause trouble.
You have no clue what I'm here to do, ma'am. I'm here to observe my Fourth Amendment right.
You
I'm here
are
to
a
observe my
fucking
Second
idiot.
Amendment
You
right.
are an idiot.
I'm
Get
also
outta
here
here.
observing my First
Get
Amendment
out
right.
of here. Who cares about your Fourth Amendment right? You're back here to harass.
I got a great idea.
And our attorney is going to take you to the friggin' bank and back.
Anyway, go ahead and trespass on my property again. Hell, why not? You done tore the hell out of it. You tore it completely down.
And it's going to cost you a fortune, I promise you. Yes. Yes. Get out of here.
Steve Urkel, that's who you remind me of.
Get out of here.
You ever watch this show, dude?
I did, yeah. I used to watch it all the time,
Like
yeah.
a freaking idiot.
Did you tell him I'm on a public road, ma'am?
He's on a public road. He's on a public road.
I actually have evidence and documentation from the judge executive saying that I have the right to
That's
walk
nothing to do
on
with me.
all paved part of Willow Oaks
Nothing to
Lane.
do with me.
It does, because
Whatever
you're out
you-
here
whatever-
telling me that I don't.
Whatever you interact and do, that's your business.
I asked the county official, you know, the guy who's
As
in charge of
long
the
as
land.
you're not encroaching upon my property, I could give a shit less what you do. You tore down my property to go across
That-
your property.
like what?
I paid $600, my son, to prove
$600.
that I own it
$600.
before it gets to you.
$600.
Get out of here.
$600.
Just go.
He's a bitch about
Go, because you're only here to try to get him to knock the hell out of
that
you.
you tore
And he's
down.
about ready to. And that's what
Wait,
you
what did she
need
even
is your
say? I'm
head
just
beat in.
patient space,
I
man.
have no idea.
Come on. Just, the officer's coming. Let them deal with
Well,
him.
he's gonna go right across the property there.
I'm on my property right
He's
here.
gonna be going across my property.
The
And guess what? When he
attorney,
does, it's gonna be on
the
like
attorney
motherfucking Donkey
is going
Kong.
to handle it. He's handling it. He
You know
is.
that.
He is handling it.
$600.
Yes.
How much did the attorney cost? He's bitch about $600. You can't hire a land attorney for less than $3,000. I know this because I have 2 of them.
You ain't got nothing. If you did,
Do you think 3,000 is hard for us to pay it? Don't ever question that, buddy.
Okay.
Don't ever question that.
He's bitch about $600.
It's an addition that we don't have to pay until a fucking idiot like you comes along. Get out of here. Why are you harassing us every day?
Not harassing anybody. You came up yelling at me. I'm standing on a public
Because
road.
we've had it with you. Get out of here.
That makes no sense.
Makes no sense. You
Look-
come back here with a gun and think
Elliot
you
and I
can
were
stroll through here?
Elliot and I were having a fine conversation.
Yes,
Jesus, wind is
Elliot
killing me.
loves to have a fine conversation.
It was fine.
Yeah, he does. Yes.
Love thy neighbor.
Yeah.
Very polite.
Go. Just get out of here.
Yeah, this right here. You got me evil out there, dude.
What? What did you say?
He's so stoned, he don't even give a shit about that.
No, I don't. I was trying to go for a walk, man.
He's got a whole, however many acres
Yeah, me
he's
too.
got.
But I've never seen back this far.
Then you don't come back
We
this
have the
far.
right to, ma'am.
No, that road.
He has a
into
job.
our job.
He pays a mortgage. He has a right. He
Get
pays
outta here.
for this
Get
road.
out of here. And you know what?
Without getting on my property.
Sorry, I got excited there.
But
Actually, I can because there's 30 feet right of all of our property that comes through here, and the road's only like 11 feet wide. You're gonna have to prove every inch that my tire, when I turn around, was on your property. You know, because like when we go to court, it's you know, it's just like, yeah.
When you turn around right down there.
You're gonna have to prove all this in
Number one,
court, sir.
We are.
if you-
We are.
if you-
Believe me. Yes.
But you back right out in the field.
There's 30 feet, but it's all of our property.
Guess what, Hoss? When you backed off in that field, you was past 30 foot. And like when you
I don't think my tire went past like here, and I'm on public property. And you're gonna have to prove that my tire went past here on public
Buddy, I
property.
got pictures of you all the way down there the other day, and got pictures.
I got
turning
pictures of
around.
the whole entire
Yes.
thing as well.
Good. Good.
Like,
Get
I
outta
saw her
here.
standing on the porch. I took a
Yes.
video of that as well.
Yes, I got you. Turning around on our
What?
property.
Because I have the right, sir.
What do you get out of
I have the
being back here?
constitutional
Does it
right,
just give you
sir.
pleasure to come back here and
People
cause
died for our constitutional rights,
Yeah,
sir.
he also died for you to be able to own property. Go to your own fucking property. What point is it to be back here?
I have the
There's nothing you
constitution.
have back
I have the
here.
constitutional right.
Back here, there's families back here. There's no sense in being back here. There's children that play on this road, and you're back here walking around with a
So?
fucking gun in your pocket.
I have the Second Amendment right.
Like,
Yeah.
why?
Do you not have guns? You should have
Oh,
guns.
Absolutely, I got a whole fucking closet full.
Well, then what are you complaining about?
Because we've
Well,
got children
there's
back
children
here.
that play here, and there's
So?
no sense in being back here. It's a family farm back here. There's no sense in it. There's absolutely no
Does
reason
it,
to
none
be
of
back
this
here.
does this make sense to you? Makes little to no sense to me.
Exactly.
Go
No
get
sense
on
in
your
being
own
back here.
People
property.
walk by, drive by my house a million times a
Because
day.
You're on a public road out there.
You are
This is a
too!
dead end
This
family
is a
farm.
public
This is a
road.
dead-end
Doesn't
family
matter
farm.
if it dead ends or if it circle jerks or if it like
See that
does
sign
a
up
loop
there
de loo.
that they put no outlet? That means your ass don't come back here because you have no outlet.
itself doesn't have an outlet. It loops back onto itself and back out onto 98.
This doesn't. It loops in our
It
property.
doesn't loop on your property.
Yes.
The end of the road is a right of way to the public.
No.
It
You are
is.
wrong. You are wrong.
You have no clue what you're talking about. You just complaining about
Buddy, we've been out here
$600.
21 years and never had a bit of problem until your fucking
That's not what I heard.
class ass rolled up in here.
That's not what I heard. I've heard different.
We've never had a bit of problem with anybody.
I've heard different.
Oh,
Sorry.
whatever. From your stoner friends?
Oh, yeah.
Is that who you're different from? Get out of here. My God.
So who are your parents? Your last name's Young? John Young?
It doesn't matter who his parents are.
Oh.
I mean, are you running for mayor or what? You need to know who everybody is.
Jeez. Like, you know.
Get out of here.
Would you have answered that
Out
question
of
if she didn't
here.
start yelling, or you don't want to answer it at all?
I don't really have anything to say to you. It's just creeps the fuck out and you're back there staring at my kids in the yard.
I wasn't. I was
Yeah.
on public property.
Staring at my fucking property and my kids in the yard.
You
Yeah.
you have no
Motherfucker, yeah.
you have no expectation of privacy in public.
Yeah. I'm in the back of a fucking farm.
Anything that I
expect
can
complete and
see,
total privacy.
anything that I can see from public view is my right to see it.
Yeah, but
I-
what do you get out of watching my fucking kids in the yard? You
I
piece of
wasn't
shit?
watching your kids. I've never been back there in the day before. I wanted to see how far it could
So
go.
what happened? You just said you turned around right there in the middle of the day the other day. So you
Oh, I
went
didn't
back
make
there.
it that far. She knows. She saw it.
Harvest
Gotcha,
does.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
fucking
yeah.
lies.
Yeah,
You know why you don't go all the way to the end?
God.
I went all the way to the end. Didn't we just go there?
Yeah, we just went.
Yeah. The last time he drove back there, he found out he
We're
was
not
trespassing.
comfortable. There you go.
I wasn't trespassing. I was on a public property.
Out of the sheriff's office for trespassing.
I left the sheriff's office.
Left it.
Again, you can't be trespassed from a public place. Again, just in case we didn't know this.
So why are you standing here? What the hell are you
Because I have the right.
Get out of here!
You don't-
We've got kids back here. Get out of here.
Have to do with anything.
I have
We
the
don't
right.
trust you at all.
I don't trust you.
Somebody that's got
So
a
why are
criminal.
you here? If you don't trust us, why are you right in front of our
Get
house?
out of here.
I think I said that enough times. I can stand here as long as I want.
Well, I guess we're just gonna start setting up camp in front of your house, being weird as hell, just looking at you, dude. Everybody's got a blunt on your front porch on Christmas Eve. What up, dog?
You have the light. You have the
Weird
right.
as hell, dude.
You're gonna bring a blunt to a public property, and
No.
you just
I'll
said
have
that.
one. I didn't. Definitely not what I said. I can pass it right
What you say?
Absolutely not.
I mean, you could be right there if you want, but
Stay on the road.
yeah, you wouldn't want to get a lawsuit or something.
Why did he bring you?
We both have the same rights. Yeah. Well, no, we all have the same rights, not just the Fourth Amendment. We have all the same rights, all of them. Yeah.
Wait a minute. Right, here we go again. Rights, laws, and amendments. Okay, so we've got, let me think. This has been a couple days since I had to go through this speech to you. If we have a property line which is considered a boundary, thou shalt not cross over
Right. What is it?
property line.
Now tell me that. Tell me what amendment is that?
Why should?
What law?
Well, what right does
Cite
it
the
give
law.
you to cross over my property line?
I'm gonna get on that tractor and I'm gonna run it through his fucking house and say, you know what?
Right.
I have that right. I mean,
don't-
he
I don't
crosses
get
our
this.
property line, so.
You actually have to read laws in the Constitution to understand like
Okay.
things like.
So, but it's
whoever-
okay to trespass on somebody's property.
Elliot, we had an actual somewhat conversation until your wife came over.
Yeah.
Could we talk about this for a second?
Sure, sure,
Please.
sure. I'm listening.
Okay.
Why can't you get?
He's okay. So the guy who came out and surveyed that, you
Was
know.
a licensed
Oh,
surveyor
I understand
from
this. I
Glasgow,
understand all
Kentucky.
this. Can
I've got a public recorded document with his
I
surveying
pulled
license
this?
on it.
I
Charlie.
understand. I pulled this survey.
He pulled an old survey that
I
another
understand.
company done back years
I
ago.
pulled all
and
these same surveys.
adequately- Listen to me. He adequately marked all the points, shot the laser through there. Where your property is, I own 15 foot from the center of the road over is the county, right? 15 foot 6 is mine. And the further it gets back this way, bub, the greater it gets. Why can't you understand that? I have proven it time and time again.
There's kids back there. He's standing watching them.
My friend and I.
Harassing
My
us.
friend and I walked to the end of the road, and we're trying to walk back, and
Why
they
are you back
started
here?
because we have the right to walk.
Why are you back here?
I don't need to answer that question,
Okay,
sir.
then turn around and put your hands
Okay.
behind your back.
Why are you arresting me?
Because you're being charged with trespassing.
Okay.
Why are you back here?
I was out for a walk.
You're out for a walk on somebody else's property.
We weren't. We were on the
property.
public property
Okay.
the entire time.
Back
we never.
there?
We
Back there
never.
by their house?
We never left.
Shut up!
You're asking me a
Well, I
I
question.
asked you a question, not him.
I'm trying to
You
answer it.
shut the fuck up. You answer the
This
question.
whole
That's
road
very
goes
non-professional.
all the way back to
Okay,
the house.
but you were on their property.
No. We followed this paved road to
Uh-huh.
the end, stopped, turned around, started coming back this way.
I have video footage of it.
And we were having a polite conversation with
Elliot.
Polite conversation.
Yes.
So
We
then
had a
why am I
polite-
out here?
We had a polite conversation with
haven't
Elliot
got-
until she called
haven't
you.
got
She
to
came
that
up on
point
us
yet.
screaming.
Because
We walked.
you don't
saying we
need
were-
to be back here.
I'm on a
You gotta
public
go.
road.
We've got kids
I'm on a
back
public
here.
road. I have the constitutional right
What
to
the
have a
fuck Are
gun.
you back here?
I have the
Don't
constitutional
arrest
right
us.
to be on this public
Get outta
road.
here.
Arrest me if you want. I'm on a public road. You can't trespass me from a public
I
road.
can if you're on their property.
No, I never set on their foot on their property, not once, sir.
Stand right here.
I have video evidence of it.
I mean, this is a.
I have
constant-
video
this is a
evidence.
constant
I've
issue.
never left this paved road here, sir. I promise you. You can't trespass me from the public.
Don't tell me what I can and can't do. Quit. Shut the fuck up.
You leave.
Shut up. Matter of fact, come here. Turn around.
I'm gonna listen, and I'm just gonna keep talking
Well,
over
you're
him.
not- You're not free to go. 'Cause you're
Okay,
gonna
I
be
understand.
charged with
I understand.
harassment. All right.
Okay.
All right. So that's all.
Yeah. I didn't say I was free to go. I'm just not gonna listen to you until yeah. Okay, so
You
I'm
have
being
your
charged
ID
with
on you?
harassment.
You have your ID on.
I don't know. No. Somebody called her back. I don't know if it was an officer or something. Will you be able to also? Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day. Hi. Is the sheriff here? Okay.
Hey, come on in, bud. What do you know good this for?
So on the 27th, I received a harassment citation from
Okay.
do you know what officer?
I think it was, I'm not sure, I can go back and look, but I think it was Seth Williford.
Yes, that's who it was. I'm sorry, I should have came more prepared to have this conversation.
That's okay.
But
Have a seat, feel too bad.
it's okay. I have a video of Seth Williford within 30 seconds of him showing up, telling me to fuck you, shut up. Is there any way that I could ask you to have him write me an apology? I don't think that's proper for a law enforcement officer in his official capacity to tell somebody to fuck you, shut up.
Okay, well, I wasn't there, so I don't know what happened.
Or would you like to see the video of it?
No, sir.
I'm gonna have a video of it.
No, I don't
and-
want to
and-
see it just for court reasons.
Okay. Well, I just think that because they were called for that particular reason, that in my opinion has nothing to do with anything else, and all of this has really nothing to do with anything else. I think it's unprofessional, and I think it is a I think that like your de-escalation training probably teaches you not to say "fuck you, shut up," especially within the first 30 seconds of arriving on scene. Like I'm glad to pursue this further through court, but I'd gladly just drop it if he wrote me an apology.
I can ask him, and you can let me take care of it, but
Okay.
I don't think.
No, I mean I can have other people take care of it as well.
Get
Like,
into a
I know.
farting contest.
I totally understand.
I'm not going to hang him on the square. I'm not.
No, I'm not asking any of that. I'm just asking him to write me a written apology. I'm just asking for him to write me a written apology because he, was there. I may have said rude things, but I'm not a sheriff's deputy, and I wasn't there in my official capacity as a law enforcement officer. And I just think, you know, your de-escalation training and, you know, just, you know, at my job, I don't swear, you know, and I certainly don't swear to members of the public at my job. It would be highly unprofessional. And if they asked me to write a written, you know, apology to whoever I did swear at, I think it would be the right thing to do. And that's all I'm asking, because, you know, I can bring it up with other people, and I can, you know, and I can, you know, take this to other people, but I'm choosing not to. I'm just asking for a written apology from Williford.
I'll ask him when he comes in. I can't make him do it, but I can ask him.
Okay.
And do I agree with it? No. And can I tell you I can take care of it?
Yeah, you can. You can ask him. You can ask him. You can take care of it, because you can ask him to write me an apology, right? You could ask him that as a superior, as a person, as a neighbor, you know. But I just personally don't think it's professional.
I can ask him.
You know. Okay. Yeah. Because because he was there as a sheriff's officer, not, you know, not as my neighbor.
Right.
You know, I'm not. Yeah.
I understand.
Okay. Well,
I can't guarantee it, but I can ask you.
if you want to see a video of it,
I don't want to see it.
well,
Don't really want to know anything about it, honestly.
well, you're more than able to look it up. It's on YouTube. You know, it's the, what did I title it as? It's the Young Family at it again. It's on YouTube. I put in the description a time mark where he shows up. Within 30 seconds of him showing up, sir, he tells me to fuck you, shut up. And that's all I'm asking. It's just a written apology from him. You know.
I can ask you that.
Okay. Control your dogs, sir. Have a good day.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notifications bell. See you later.